Here's a 2012 Chevrolet Captiva Sport Fleet. This efficient crossover combines the quality of a workhorse with the comfort you look forward to piloting. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, power windows, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.